Hey, what's popping? I'm K Rosette and welcome to my channel. And for my popping crew, what's up, guys? What's popping? How are you going? How are you doing? Okay, so I'll be showing you how I clean my blending sponges with this Protex bar soap. Okay, let's get to it. Pour water, hot water. Then I did soak this once and then for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to
So I take the blending sponge, then I rub it against the soap as you can see on the video.
see all the dirt is coming out. Then you squeeze, press, stir it.
Hey loves, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. So this may look a little bit harsh or something, but I'm actually squeezing the blending sponge so that all the dirt and can come out like. Please watch the video until the end. I mean, I have a surprise for you towards the end.
Rinse so that your sponge can get back to shape. Use cold water. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's too cold. Yeah, stop.
So quick question, guys. So let me know down the comment section if do you all still use this sponge, like, because honestly I hardly use it. This is just one of the reasons why it still has this black thing. I don't know what I was using, but I think it was probably a polish or something. I'm not sure. Now I'll be cleaning the smaller blending sponges, which is like, I find this blending sponge is like so useful when it comes to contouring, especially your nose and under your eye, because it's like they perfectly fit in. Also, I find them so useful when it comes to blending the concealer on your eyelids and under your eye. Like, they are so useful, and the shape, I absolutely love the shape. So when you're squeezing your sponge and only white stuff comes out, like, which is the soap obviously. And then that's when you know that like your sponges are now really clean. I mean, look at it. It's like, now I'm going to rinse it, so I'll show you how it looks after I've. Now look at it, like, it's so clean. This is how our sponges are currently looking. Okay, this one is like originally brown. Look at this orange one, like, wow, guys. Thank you for watching me, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Mwah. Bye.